you know, is this actually worth it? So let's get into this. Hey fab friends, welcome to my channel, Simply Fabulous, where I like to discuss luxury, lifestyle, and I try to sprinkle in a few tips or advice that I've learned to share with you. So today, I have a double unboxing from Cartier. I picked up two pieces from the Just on Clou collection, which means just a nail in French. I got a ring and a bracelet. So let's open up the box and see. Let's go open up a random box here. Comes with the Cartier bag in there. All right, so let's open up the box. This is just looking at the size of the box, the ring. And I actually purchased the Just on Clou collection. So this is their Just on Clou ring that I was looking at. I've been admiring this one for a while. And I'm going to open this right here. So this is the Just on Clou ring in yellow gold. Okay, the reason I chose this is because it was, you know, dainty, it was unique, and seemed like something that I could wear every day. I do like to add pieces of jewelry to my collection that has a little bit of uniqueness. So I'm trying to think what size I got her for. I don't remember. But it does fit all my fingers, which is like a blessing. So I don't remember what size finger I got it for. I did get sized in the store. Yes, like on a trip a while back. That's how I knew what size to order when I did purchase this online. This is it on. Let's see if I can zoom in. It has a little nail head. And yeah, it's a nice simple design. Again, it's just a nail like wrapped around. And I know it comes in yellow gold and like in white gold. I'm not sure if it comes in rose gold because I don't remember all the colors it comes in. But yes, definitely love this design, style, the simplicity of it. So I added this to my collection. Now let's go into the other piece. Open this box. Details. And so it comes with like, you know, receipt, return label, a certificate, and then it comes with the actual jewelry. So much larger box. That's how I'm like, oh, this is the bracelet then. So let's open this one up. All right, let's take off the box lid and take this one out. All right, let's open it. And this is the bracelet. Hopefully it focuses. This is the bracelet in yellow gold. And I did just go ahead and get diamonds that, you know, just like on the tip or side of the nail head, and then in the portion where like the end part where it kind of comes to a point, it has a few diamonds there as well. So yeah, let me go ahead and see if I can take her out so you can see how I put this one on. This one, this is the yellow gold in the slimmer, like more daintier band. So there is a thicker Just on Clou bracelet. that they have at Cartier, and they have the thicker one I know in like a white gold and yellow gold, and it has like different ranges of diamonds, whether you want it like half paved, full paved, no diamonds. But yeah, it has a full range. And then for this one, like for this specific tone, I know they have the gold with like a little bit of diamonds, and then one without diamonds, just like in this band from what I can remember. Oh yeah, and look, there's a little documentation in the box. So I'm guessing maybe it gives you instructions on how to wear this. And it does say that this is the small model, so I was right. I think there's a large model, might even be a medium model, but again, it's not going to be as dainty as this. If you want a little bit more of a thicker piece, and it still looks like dainty on people's wrists, because I've seen people who have it, and it doesn't look like, it's not like a cuff or anything like that. It's not going to take up a lot of real estate on your wrist, but it's just going to be a little bit like thicker in size. And it's a really good comparison if you can go in the store or if you can look online. You can see it kind of side by side. So yeah, so for this bracelet, the way to wear it is to actually open it like that, and then you're going to like snap it onto your wrist. So I'm going to put this on, but I do need to put my wrist down. That's just how I put on jewelry. I need a steady surface to put my jewelry on, especially bracelets. Here we go. I kind of like poked myself with the end of it a little bit. All right, and that is the bracelet. Oh, I'm trying to focus. That's the bracelet on. I don't remember what size this was. This might have been like a 15, I believe. And so you see it doesn't like move a lot on my arm. And I kind of like it that way. This one actually fits really well. And then if I want to switch it to, you know, my other hand, I definitely can do that too. This, I probably would, you know, add more bangles or wear just different jewelry with it to just complement it, or even wear it by itself. But yeah, I like this piece a lot. And I really wanted to go with just a little bit of diamonds, because yes, it has it with no diamonds. That's available to you as well. I'm trying to think, does this one come out with like full diamonds? I think you have to go up a size if you want one with full diamonds. Don't quote me. But I just, again, I thought this well suited me. It wasn't like way too much, but it wasn't, you know, too minimal. Yeah, it was like a nice minimal, but with a little bit of sparkle, because you know I love my sparkle. Now let's get into figuring out, is Cartier Just on Clue collection worth it? Well, because of its uniqueness, that's a plus for me. I like that it's dainty, another plus. And I like that it comes in options of like different shades of gold, from yellow gold to white gold. I like those different options, so that's a plus. And then I like that it's offered in small or like large. I don't know if I just said that, but yeah, I like that it's offered in a smaller size. So it gives it that daintiness, and that's what I'm kind of looking for in my jewelry at the moment, or at least for a piece like this, I would want it dainty. I have other pieces that are a little bit more bolder, thicker, just to like start out with this being my first piece in the Just on Clue collection. I think I picked out some good pieces, and I would have to say that yes, I think it's worth it, okay? For what I like and what I'm looking for in the types of jewelry that I wear and what I'd like to, you know, spend my money on, I feel like this is worth it. And I know there's been like a recent price increase, or the latest price increase was back in April. So like just the cost of Cartier going up, and it's, you know, the gold, it's not like the most heaviest of gold. It's not like I'm getting tons of diamonds, but again, you're you're paying for the brand. We all know that. But we're also paying for that uniqueness. That's what I love about this. Some people are not really aware of the Just on Clue collection, so you do kind of get those questions like, oh, is that like a nail? Or, oh, where'd you get that bracelet from? That's like different, that's nice. You hear people kind of like be like, oh, I like that bracelet, I've never seen that. It just, to me, signals like, oh, it's a unique piece. Like, I haven't seen any jewelry that looks like a wrapped around nail. I'm sure it might be out there. I just have not seen it. Haven't seen all the jewelry pieces that there's out there to offer, but I can definitely tell you that when I saw this, I liked it. Now I'm just happy to have it. You can really get some good use out of it because it's a gold color. So if you like to wear gold, this will definitely be something that you would enjoy wearing. You could stack the ring with different pieces, or like wear it like on, you know, a finger and have another type of gold jewelry on another finger, or pair it up where if you have like a love ring and you want to put it on top or on the bottom. I just think you can do a few different things when you're wearing the ring. And then even so with the like bracelet, like I can see myself maybe getting another one or getting the bigger one. Again, I haven't decided. I just got these. Definitely will be wearing this and pairing it with my outfits. Again, I sometimes like to go for that just dainty look when it comes to jewelry, and I feel like this gives that to you. So to answer the question again, do I feel that this is worth it for me and my needs and how I like to wear jewelry? Yes, I think it's worth it. And again, if you're looking for something unique that stands out, this is something that's unique and stands out. I know a lot of people have this specific bracelet style, different sizes, but again, it's one of those pieces that when you see it, it's like, oh, that's so nice. Especially maybe if you don't know like the brand, or if you do know the brand, it's just like, it's still like, that's nice. And after seeing so many people with it on, it's like, okay, it's time. All right, friends, well, we made it to the end of the video. If you're still here, thank you. Thank you for watching and supporting. If you liked this video, then, you know, press that thumbs up button. And if you like the content on my channel, just in general, consider subscribing to my channel. You know, share this with your friends so they can be part of the Fab Fam as well. And then also, if you want to be notified the next time that I drop a video, hit that notification bell and it will let you know once I upload my next video. I can't wait to see you guys. I enjoyed doing this unboxing, quick review with you. Yes. Bye.